exit now. So anyway, this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Tata Motors. So if you guys wish to earn consistent Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 17th of November and the time is almost 9:14 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page here, you can see the market is opening at 0.33% down at 17,939.35. Advances stocks at 12, declines are 32 and unchanged is 6 stocks. So most of the things are in gap down today. So let's see how the market will perform today. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is HM Motor with 0.73% up and Asian Plate with 0.58% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Indalco with 0.81% down and Bharti Airtel with 0.79% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what we do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blogspot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, today I'm planning to select Tata Motors stock to trade. So we'll be trading on Tata Motors. We'll see how the stock will perform today. Right now the stock feels bullish. We shall buy it in the market level. So we'll be buying Tata Motors now around 5 to 4. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock went all the way up till 533.95. So we bought it around 524. If you guys can see, almost 10 rupees up it has went. Okay, it went straight up. The movement was very quick in the stocks today. So yes, this was a good opportunity to pick this kind of stock and pick this kind of movement today. So yes, I did book like more than 1% today. That is, I booked almost like 6 rupees of target. So I just took my exit now. So anyway, this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Tata Motors. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.